Hi, I'm Haley.
And I'm Kelsey, and welcome to our first Healthy Homes Tip of the Week. So Haley, what are we talking about today?
Crawl space humidity. Did you know moisture is an invisible enemy that often plagues the crawl space and up into the home itself? During the hot summer months, crawl spaces are typically cooler than the outside air because damp, exposed dirt in the crawl space usually sits around 55 degrees all year. As warm, humid air enters into the crawl space, the air is then cooled, increasing relative humidity. What about open vents in your crawl space?
Well, many years ago, venting was added to building codes to fight excess moisture and humidity. It was believed that since we have a lot of moisture from the ground in our dirt crawl space, if a crawl space was vented, the moisture would flow through the vents. The problem is during those hot, humid summer days, those vents let hot, humid air into the crawl space. During damp, wet, rainy days, those vents let damp air in. Cold winter days let ice cold air into the crawl space, and at least 50% of the air flows up into the home. So what's the result?
Well, unfortunately, it can lead to mold growth, rot, musty odors, unhealthy air, and even increased heating and cooling bills. So what's the answer?
A dry, sealed, encapsulated crawl space equipped with a high-efficiency dehumidification system. From here, the air will be cleaned and humidity maintained to a safe and healthy level.
If these problems sound all too familiar, give your trusted leader in creating healthy homes a call. From all of us here at Healthy Spaces, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!